Hey guys, it's your girl Joy Toha and welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by, okay? So guys, as you can see in today's video, we have a house hunting vlog, and I'm so excited guys, because compared to the last time we searched for a place, this experience did not stress us out at all. I would say starting from where we started, like looking for the houses, till when we secured one, it literally just took us only 1 week, and we only viewed 3 apartments, and our budget was we didn't want it to be up to £1,000, at least 950. That was our budget. We didn't want to exceed that. And yeah, we found 3 apartments that we really liked, and I'll just take you guys along, and also let me know in the comment section which one you prefer and which one you think I picked, okay? So guys, for this hunt, we wanted a 2 bedroom, a furnished 2 bedroom, most especially because we don't want anything unfurnished until maybe when we get a mortgage and move into our own house. So this is the first viewing. So once you come into this apartment, you will find this space, and to the left you will see the family bathroom and toilet. It's really spacious, which I like. And I think the door to the right is the storage room, and I also think it has washing machine in there. I'm not so sure guys. Let me see if I went in to take a look at it. But it has a storage room in there, which was quite spacious, and you can also hang your coats in there. And then you walk into this space, which is the living room slash the kitchen. This one is joined with a kitchen, in which guys, if you know me with my previous apartment, you would know I'm already spoiled with having a separate kitchen. But for now, it was something we're considering though. And the living room was very sizable, but the only thing about this building was that um they had this construction thing outside, like they were like scaffolding things outside. And it was just we didn't know how long that would take, and you would also know that things like that take a long time before they evacuate them from the building. So that was just our only concern. And this is the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen had the washing machine in there, it had the dishwasher, and there are people still staying in this building, but yeah, we're allowed to view it. And this is the oven. So this is what the kitchen looks like. It's just there. So guys, this apartment is a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. I don't know if I said that earlier. We've already seen the first bathroom. And yeah, this is the first room. As you can see, comes furnished already. There are wardrobes there are drawers in there are dressers in there. There is also a bed. Although there are properties in there because people are still living here. And this is the second room. I think this is even like the master's room, and this comes with an ensuite toilet and bathroom. That's the second bathroom. This also comes with a wardrobe, dresser, and the room is very spacious though. Like, it's very spacious. I like that about this room. And yeah, that's the viewing for this particular apartment. And I'll put the price of this apartment on the screen, okay, because I can't remember it at the top of my head. Okay, now let's check in to the second one. So guys, this is the second viewing, the second apartment, and for this one is a 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Once you come in, you will see the bathroom over there. I will still go back in there to give you guys a full look. And this is the first room. Guys, this room is so freaking spacious, and you look at that dresser and those wardrobes. Oh my god. And also the ventilation, the window, so large. This space is very spacious. I loved it so much. And just opposite the bathroom is the laundry slash storage room, and this is the inside of the bathroom. It's very spacious guys, although it's just 1 bathroom, so it's very spacious. and it also has like a toilet and everything. But yeah, this is what the entryway looks like, and when you go in, you will see the sitting room. This is also combined with a kitchen. So guys, this is what the sitting rooms and the kitchen looks like. As you can see, it's very, very spacious. Like it even has like a dining, and that's the kitchen over there. And this is the sitting room. The only issue also with this apartment is that, guys, I don't know what's up with Leeds and this scaffolding of a thing. I and my husband, we both have hybrid jobs, so we work from home sometimes, and this construction scaffolding thing outside are in a lot of buildings here in Leeds. I think they are currently doing like a construction or maintenance thing. And yeah, the this agent was telling us that don't worry, the scaffolding will be removed in a month. But guys, I do not believe that, because I have seen some scaffolding in some buildings or on some buildings that have stayed over a year. So I don't know, we're just considering it, but that was like a huge turn off for us. But regardless, the sitting room, the kitchen, it's quite spacious though, it's fine. And as I said earlier, everything comes furnished. And I'll also put the price for this place on the screen. And I think we also have one more room to check out. And yeah, this is the room. The room looks very, very spacious. Oh my God, like one thing I love about this place was how spacious it was. It's very spacious, and as you can see, there is a wardrobe behind, and this is the mattress, and yeah, it looks good. So guys, that's it about this place, and let's move into the last apartment, okay? So guys, this is the last apartment we checked. And guys, this apartment is a two-bedroom, one bathroom. Luckily, there wasn't any scaffolding outside this apartment, and this one was on a ground floor. And the rest we had to use like an elevator to access them. So once you come in, this is the first room, and the wardrobes are quite big. Like this is like a single and half wardrobe. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, everything comes furnished in this house. And this is the second room. This second room is a little bit larger than the first one we saw. So yeah, everything, the lamps, the mirrors, everything comes with the house. And yeah, this room came with a double wardrobe, which was just so amazing. Like I loved it so much. In our previous apartment, yo, we struggled with just one single wardrobe. But it would be nice to have, a larger one this time. So this is the second room, which is, I think, the master's room, which is quite bigger. And yeah, this is the sitting room. This is the first one we are seeing that had a separate sitting room, which was not joined with the kitchen. The sitting room, it also had, a dining. And guys, as I said, everything here came with the house. Like I think the landlord was previously using this place for an Airbnb. So even the television, this TV stand, everything, the pillows, everything came with the house. But if we're going to move in, we told the landlord that we would definitely need to return some of those things because we already have them as properties. And this is the kitchen, guys. Guys, take a look at this kitchen. This kitchen is so freaking huge, and it's separated. It's not joined with, it's not joined with the sitting room, which is very rare in UK apartments. And yeah, everything came with the house in this kitchen, even the knives, the spoons, in which we already have those properties. But yeah, that's just to show you how what this kitchen looks like. And just opposite that, you will see the bathroom and the toilet. So this is the toilet and the bathroom over here. It's a good size, not so bad. And guys, I will also leave the price of this house on the screen, okay? Because I cannot remember it at the top of my head. So yeah, that's just it about the viewing. That door in front was the storage room, and yeah, this place was amazing. Guys, that's just it about this viewing. We only viewed three houses, and from when we started viewing houses like online, till when we secured one and paid for one. It literally took us just 1 week, in which I am extremely grateful for. I'm glad it did not stress us at all. Let me know in the comment section, guys, which one you would have picked if it were you and the reason. And also let me know which one you think I picked, okay? And yeah. Guys, one thing about renting here in the UK, you need to just have like a list of things that you can compromise on and a list of things that you cannot compromise on, okay? Except if you have like a luxury budget in which you don't care about the price, but if you're on a limited budget, just have a list of things that you can compromise on, because when it comes to renting, you might not get everything you want, okay? So guys, that's just it about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.